camper van. Wow, they're finishing the rest for me.
This one is our Bedford CF1 camper, 1982. And I had good fun driving this back from Manchester across the Woodhead Pass. Overtook a camper, one of the new campers going uphill, which I was quite chuffed with. Give you a tour inside in a second. We've had to unfortunately fully strip it out. We didn't intend on it because we was only going to do the back wall, but it's one of those, the more that you delve in, unfortunately the more you find. Like I said, as you can see, we struggle for storage, so I've got the Berg door cards in here. I've got all the windows from the Berg in here, the windscreen's up there, which is going to be Nugget's bed. Plans for this are I'm going to make some sections for each side here. Going to cut a star in one side and a moon in the other, and have a curtain going across for Hunter. Here's the cabin. It was fully original when we got her. But unfortunately somebody's tried doing a renovation in the past and done a very poor job. As you can see, they've just wedged a piece of wood up there to hold it. It's like that back section there. They've put a piece in but not the full length. And it's just going to be easier just to literally strip everything out and start from scratch, which is what me and Alice have decided to do. So hopefully you're going to want to see some of that content. And so I'm going to get our Dylan to bring the Volvo over in a moment so we can start it up, because I know the battery's flat. Plans for it are we're going to keep the front blue. I'm going to give that a respray, and the entire back end, once we've got it fully sealed and dints and things out, is going a nice silver. Hopefully pick up some retro alloys for it, full stainless exhaust, which I'm going to have to modify because this is a long wheelbase, but you can only get the exhaust for a short wheelbase. And rather than getting a custom one made, I'd rather make my own, because that's the sort of things that we do. Right, Dylan's going to bring the Volvo over and we're going to get the Bedford started for you. Like I said, 1982, and she runs pretty well, to be fair. Hi, the eagle-eyed viewers of you will notice that the ground is wet at the Bedford starting video. That's my fault. We've had to do this in 2 videos. When I thought I was actually recording the first time round, I was actually taking photos, would you believe? So walking around, did a lot of spiel and all that, and all I was actually doing was taking pictures every now and again. So we've had to completely reshoot the first section of the video. The only bit I actually managed to record properly was starting the Bedford. So, like I said, we are brand new at this. Hopefully we'll get better. Please bear with us. He's not got much experience, that's why I keep letting him drive up here. Hopefully he's not going to hit anything. Right, you need to go back a bit now. Right, come back. Come back. Come back. Stop there. Like I said, not the best car in the world in this thing, but it's a good snotter. Hopefully jump leads are going to reach. They should do. And then Dylan's going to start the beast up. We're not the best videos in the world, like I said, this is his first ever video, so please bear with us and we will get better. So don't slate us too much in the comments. There you go, look at that. Not bad, 1982.
I'd say how old it is.
Bedford CF camper. CF1. Right, slowly knock the choking Dill. Right, give it a little tickle on throttle, Dill.
Not bad to say how old it is.
I know. Just running a little bit rich, so I've got to set the carb up. Got a slight oil leak. Not sure if it's coming from behind this. Well, you can't quite see from the top, to be fair. See if you can see from the bottom. From either the sun or crank seal or something. So got that to investigate. Something I found quite unique. Canvas bag for the screen wash.
Alright.
Give us another blast, Dill. Gonna get a stainless steel exhaust for it, and hopefully next summer be able to tow the track car with it. Right. Hopefully you like what you've seen, and you look out for our future videos from me and Dylan. and there will be Nugget in the future as well, and possibly our lass, if I can get her to come on camera. But that's me signing off. What about you, Dill?
That's me signing off as well.
Right, catch us all in future videos. Bye.